Hey, check it out guys real quick. This is a 308, this is a 260 Remington, and this is a 6.5 Creedmoor. The casings are a little different, but all three rounds have a cartridge overall length of 2.8 inches. So all three will fit in a 308 mag. So what does that mean to you? That means if you're currently shooting a 308 bolt gun or gas gun and you want to get into shooting 260 Remington or 6.5 Creedmoor, don't buy a new rifle. Just buy a new barrel and have it fitted properly. Same bolt, same mag, same everything. You can upgrade from this round to either one of these two very, very simply. And the ballistics are much, much better.